I'm just gonna say it. This wraparound porch is the real flex of this entire property. Not the Viking appliances, not the wine room, not even the garage apartment over there. This porch, guys, because you cannot fake this feeling. The second you walk up to this 1905 Heights Victorian, you feel like Houston slows down for a minute. And honestly, that's rare at this price point. Most homes around here are trying way too hard to look expensive. This one doesn't have to. It already knows what it is. We have 5 bedrooms, historic character, massive lot, for the heights, garage apartment, wide streets, Chicago brick, original style windows. And then you walk inside. The primary bathroom honestly feels like something pulled out of a boutique luxury hotel. The finishes feel warm, the materials feel expensive without screaming for attention. The entire home somehow blends historic charm with modern luxury without losing its soul. So would it be crazy to say this would be the kind of home buyers regret not seeing in person? Let's go take a look. Yes, this is Greater Heights, one of the largest lots in this area left over that has not been parceled out. As you can see across the street, these tall, skinny homes that do not have room for the wraparound porch, which is the star of the show, guys, because we don't see these type of developments in these homes that often. 1905 build, but everything's been renovated from the foundation on up. And shout out to the listing agent Suzanne Spencer of Keller Williams for allowing and giving me the opportunity to come in and present this beautiful home. And if we haven't met yet, my name is Armando Espinosa with eXp Realty in Houston, Texas. Been a resident over 30 years, guys. So I've seen the heights, all parts of Houston grown up, renovated, turned over into different types of really cool communities. So let's go take a look at this beautiful Queen Anne Revival Victorian home. And as you step in right here, we are in the great room, and a lot you can do in this area. Put couches, TVs, more of a formal sitting area. And to the right is the wine cellar storage. Comment below on what your flavor is, white or red or Bordeaux's. My favorite right now, since we're in Houston, it's a little warm, are the Cabernet or the Sauvignon Blanc, excuse me, the white, the cold. I love my drinks cold. So wide open concept. And that quartz countertops with the distinct, significant veins there on that stone. And comment below if you like that sage green. I believe sage green is in. It's been in for a little while. And I love that copper tone sink right there with the built in microwave and the dishwasher right there. And just think of how many parties and entertaining your neighbors, your family members. And it's starting the summer. So I'm thumbs up in that space in the living room, which leads into the backyard space. Yes, garage apartment. We're going to get back to that in a couple minutes. And no HOA. So if you want to rent out that space, and back there behind that fence, it is an alleyway where you could possibly build out into a private backyard entrance, which the neighbors do have. Behind the property. So there is an alleyway we can drive out, and it is built out for you in the rocks so the tires won't mess up the road. It has like that plastic thing with the rocks inside. Dog wash. I know everyone has their doggies. So boom, there you go. Beautiful luxury dog wash. Hey, Fido has his or her own dog wash station. You got the utility room right there, the side by side appliances with the rack to dry your clothes that aren't great for the heated appliances for the dryer. Huge pantry. A lot of the folks that came out to my open houses in the past really like that big storage of the pantry for the dry goods. Dual sinks. So we're on the first floor. This is the guest bathroom with the guest bathroom and bedroom, excuse me. And I'm loving that style of tile. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. And I always like to feel I'm a more of a kinesthetic learner, and I love feeling that type of tile. Sometimes they have a more serrated feel. This one was very smooth. So huge closet space, and we were measuring it out, and you could possibly fit in a queen bed, possibly a king. So yeah, so if mom and dad want to come visit, yeah, friends or families coming in from out of town, showcasing your home in the city, there you go. Let's go upstairs, guys. And another thing a lot of the buyers liked were the wide open, how wide the staircase was. And so now we're in the second bedroom, pretty big closet. So and continuing on with the quartz countertops design. And I'm loving that bath shower, that shower tile there with the gold accents, continuing the character. And engineered wood, white oak engineered wood, lots of open space. We're about to go in the office. There we go, overlooking the street. That's it with the French doors, with some privacy, keeping the noise levels down. And then we are going to head into the next bedroom. Huge, kind of a more cozy bedroom, and dual sinks in this bedroom. So lots of countertops. If you're entertaining again, if you have guests over for the weekend, they have their space to get ready for. Again, continuing with the gold accents. This is different tile, which actually still works with the whole home of the materials. Yes, now we're stepping into primary bedroom, bathroom, closet, and I'm liking that light fixture. Pretty neat. It's not too crazy. It's just right. And everyone also loved the primary closet space with the built-ins right there to put in your suits and your ties, your jackets, your dresses, shoes, everything. They got lots of space on each side, and then now we're stepping in to the bathroom, and you can definitely fit in a king size bed with the two lights on each end, or one light on each end, excuse me. And I'm loving that countertops, and it continues on with that sage green from the bottom storage cabinetry and the gold accents outlining. And then, oh my gosh, stepping into the primary bathroom. Let's go. Continuing with the copper look from the downstairs sink of the kitchen, and the tile just continues to blow everyone away. This was the second star of the show, besides the wraparound porch. And I'm loving the revival of the 1920s feel of those fixtures there. So I had a kind of, again, I'm a kinesthetic learner, and I got to touch and feel it and see how it works. And continuing on with that bronze color lining of the materials. And then there's also a rain fixture upstairs, above me, and hopefully the camera will pan over. And so it's more of a rain shower feel. Vaulted ceilings, and then now we're going into the garage apartment backyard. So you could probably fit 5 to 6 cars down that driveway, guys. Lots of space, maybe even 6 or 7 cars on the driveway, 2 cars in the garage. Now we're going upstairs. So maybe your friends or family are in from out of town. Mom and dad are in from out of town. You may want to think about renting this out, garage apart studio. I mean, the possibilities here is endless. No HOA. You got the mini split right there, keeping everything cool. I mean, it felt like an ice box every time I came in. Everything was working great, and you can put in a electric stove. The only thing you would have to build out would be a sink, so wash dishes for like to make it a full kitchen. It does have a bathroom in there with the stand-up shower that we're about to see, pedestal, sink, and again, continuing on with the modern tiles and the fixtures of the renovation. There you go. All right, Houston family, that is it for another luxury home tour in Greater Heights, Houston. And comment below on what you liked and what you would change, and if you can see yourself living in this beautiful home here, and if something that you want to check out today, tomorrow, or next week, my details are in the caption below. Until then, we'll talk soon. Take care.